Okay, we're rolling over. Let's see if we can get this on camera. Go! Go! You just did it! Woo! Yay! It's, let's see, what day is it? It's Monday, September 29th. Drew is 9 weeks old, and he started this last week. He loves it. Loves rolling over. Let's see if we can get him to do it again. Come on, buddy. Ugh. Show everybody how big you are. Show everybody how big you are. Yes! Say, I'm so big. I'm so big. I'm so big. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Are you gonna try going the other way? Oh, yay, Drew! Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy.